Social media strategist Amy Jo Martin says social media is the ultimate equalizer. It gives a voice, a platform, to anyone willing to engage. She's right about that. It's like connecting a microphone to a booming speaker on a busy street corner. Anyone who takes the mic is going to get heard. People can't help but stop and pay attention. Indeed, social media platforms are like springboards for businesses of any size and with any budget. A small business with a good social media strategy can level the playing field with their deep-pocketed competitors. You know how every sports movie you've ever seen showcases the underdog team that goes on to win over the huge competitor with the bigger, better, faster players? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about here. If you're feeling a bit like the Mighty Ducks or the Karate Kid as you face down huge, well-known competitors with big advertising budgets, things are about to get interesting. Social media can give you the edge you've been seeking. Problem is, a lot of business owners don't fully realize exactly what social media can do for them. Many business owners look at sites like Facebook from a personal viewpoint. They see cat videos, funny cats, happy cats, grumpy cats. They see pictures of what their cousin ate for dinner. They see teenage angst and drama unfold in real time on their children's and grandchildren's timelines. Maybe you can relate to that. You know your audience is on social media, but you're not quite sure how to leverage the platforms. You're not even necessarily sure what platforms to focus on or how to use them for maximum benefit. Every day, businesses just like yours are using social media in some really clever ways to grow their business, and now you can too. For example, social media can help you hit your goals. This includes goals for traffic, growing your mailing list, sales, and revenue. Your audience is already on social media, which means social media marketing should be a key part of your lead generation strategy. Social media can boost your conversion rates. That's because social media is a great place to interact with your niche community. Social media is great for brand building. If you're looking to build the top-of-mind awareness that generates sales for you over the long term, then social media needs to be a key part of your overall marketing strategy. Social media is the key to viral marketing. Don't even think about trying to launch a viral campaign without the help of social media. Social media can help you promote social causes. If you're running a business that's tightly intertwined with social causes like Ben & Jerry's ice cream, then social media is going to be your ticket to building awareness and goodwill in your niche community. Social media can help you tamp down a burgeoning firestorm. Every business missteps and makes mistakes. How you handle these mistakes is going to make a huge impact on your reputation and your business's long-term profits. If you're not on social media, your customers are going to control the conversation, and a firestorm could ensue. Using social media puts you at the table and gives you some control of the conversation as well. And that's really just the tip of the iceberg in terms of what social media can do to help you grow your business. Starting in just minutes from now, you'll discover some other really cool ways to use social media to benefit your business and your brand. And you'll find out how to develop a customized social media strategy to achieve your goals. So, without further ado, let's jump into the next lesson.